In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a time limit on a SurveyMonkey survey. Picture this. You've created the perfect survey to gather feedback, insights, or maybe even for a fun quiz. You want to make sure you get your responses within a specific time frame to analyze your data or move on to the next phase of your project. SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating these surveys, but adding a time limit might not be the most intuitive process. No worries, I've got you covered. First things first, navigate over to SurveyMonkey and get yourself logged in. You can simply click on login, and for convenience, why not log in with Google? Choose your account and you're halfway through the initial step. Once you're in, you'll land on your home page, famously known as the projects page in SurveyMonkey land. This is where all your survey creations make their home. Next up, look for the survey you want to add a time limit to. You might need to dig through your projects. If you've got quite a few, found it great. You'll notice three little dots, sometimes referred to as the More button, located on the right side of your survey's listing. Give that a click to reveal more options. Among those options, look for Edit Survey. This is your gateway to adjusting settings, adding questions, and now setting a time limit to your survey. After clicking Edit Survey, it's time to set up how you want to collect responses. On the next screen, hit Collect Responses. This is where the magic happens for gathering your precious data. Now, you're going to see a couple of choices for collecting responses. Locate web link and choose web link to proceed. This will determine how you distribute your survey. This step involves a bit of a deeper dive. Click on Show, Advanced Options to unfold some additional capabilities of your survey. It's like finding a hidden treasure trove of features you never knew you needed. Within these advanced options, you're looking for cutoff date and time. It's the secret sauce to put a cap on your survey's availability. Click on it to expand your options. Almost there. Now toggle the option on, close this collector on a specified date and time. This allows you to explicitly define when you want your survey to say, I'm closed for business. Choose the date and time you wish your survey to stop accepting responses. And just like that, you've set a time limit on your SurveyMonkey survey. Remember, setting a time limit is crucial for timely data analysis and keeping your projects on track. It also adds a sense of urgency for responses, often leading to quicker feedback. Before wrapping up, ensure you save all changes. Trust me, there's nothing more frustrating than going through these steps only to realize none of it took effect because you forgot that crucial last click. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your survey responses in SurveyMonkey. Now it's time to deploy your survey and start collecting those timely insights. Happy surveying!